And this end of day finish, just a beautiful, beautiful example of symmetry. When we started the day, we talked about the idea of a possible megaphone. Could take out the low, could take out the high, and come back to the middle. We said a short while ago, the ideal close would be to come out and take out this last low. Anybody that had trailers should be shooting for the 33 to 32 on the closing swing. No new trades, no reason for longs to be buying at the end of the day. Come back and look at the angels and demons. Perfect resistance back there at the demon, 38 1/4. The retest came back in, bounced one more time, failed, came back in. Trailers after you get past the 35 area, magnet at 34.5. Anybody had trailers in for the end of the day, targeting 32s. And the goal here, of course, to get back to the middle and try to knock out these traders who thought that they had a winner and were going to go up and into the 40s. Beautiful day of symmetry. And probably the Globex chart, 15, very helpful. 120 chart, still of resistance above us. 60 chart, a beauty. This was probably the key, in my opinion, the 60 chart holding. And if you want to adjust this a little bit to, say, the 30 chart, that also helps you see things where we start to flatten out. So a reasonable day for the longs trying to dig out, but also a good day for the shorts that contain the bounce. So pretty much the start of a bear flag, and then we need to see what happens overnight. So in terms of the charts that we like best, obviously the 60-minute chart, probably the best chart today that we had found for the resistance chart for the short side. 10-minute chart shows a little more balance, and if you take it out to the 15, really perfect, which was the chart that we liked. And this is the way a day like today should behave. Trap, minor low, trap and push, and then come back to the middle. So today is because yesterday was such a damaging day. Yesterday we had so much push to the downside. It required, I thought, today a little bit better balance. So even though I thought we would get a bounce, I thought the most important part was, can we contain it? Obviously with yesterday's high zone from the RTH. Okay, and that was at 44 area. So that was our back end today. And we thought that obviously that 42 zone should be a resistance, as it was yesterday, the 42 to 43 area. So anybody that was shorting as you bounced into that 39, thinking 39 to 42s, that was the beginning of our resistance zone. And look for an afternoon of coming back in and doing the megaphone pattern. Can't beat it. All right, hope everybody had a good one. And that's a few words about the E-mini Wizard system and what we were looking at today. And I would have to say again that the market has had a strong push long side, and it is time for some pullback and some give back.